An opioid reversing drug will soon be available in Alabama schools. The state just announced the drug naloxone, which reverses an overdose, will be made available in all public schools. Now, this program has support of the Attorney General, but we wanted to know what parents think.
Sometimes a well-meaning young person can inadvertently get involved with the crowd and find themselves in an uncompromising position.
David Leonard is a minister who works with teenagers. He says he's seen the effects of opioid abuse on young adults.
That we need to educate our students, our parents, our teachers about the challenges of our young people.
Wednesday, Alabama's superintendent announced a program to bring naloxone into public schools that want to participate. Staffers would be trained to administer the drug through an auto injector. Attorney General Steve Marshall told Way 31 he was hesitant at first because he feared it would encourage teens to use drugs. The battle is a personal one for him after his wife's suicide while battling addiction. But after a conversation with a doctor, Marshall changed his mind.
I was talking to one of the doctors about that and said, I'm not sure this is a good idea. And he looked at me and he said, well, I can't help them if they're dead. And that really just sort of was an eye-opener for me to say that I can't help somebody when they made the decision to overdose and die.
Parents we talked to agree school staff should be equipped for the worst-case scenario.
Either if the child is definitely having a drug overdose, they're going to be in a bad way anyway.
Way 31 reached out to school districts across North Alabama. Some expressed an interest in being part of the program.
I think it's a very proactive step to try to be able to save lives.
Huntsville City Schools tells us that it is looking at the next steps in bringing the program here. Madison County tells us it is interested as well, but it is going to take time to set up protocol with the school board. And moments ago, Huntsville City Schools released this statement saying, quote, Huntsville City Schools will be developing procedures and training for our health services staff in the near future. Staff training is required before a school system may qualify to receive medication.